function. For that we have our alternate solution, that is, let us just close this and open again. Select output, suppose 11, no sorry, merge PDF 11. Here we have this one. Here what we will do, we have problem with the merge, the page 6 issue. Okay, so we will go here. This feature give you a single selection or multiple selection. You can select all. So I will select from page 1 to page 6. Okay, open. See, we have selected the page 6, and then again go here and select from page 7 to end. Now you see we get the order format, because if you don't do this, what will happen when in the PDF will be merged, page 6 will come into page 7 and page 7 will come into page 6, but here the problem is solved. Now we have the checkbox here which select all the PDF or select none. You can also select, pressing the control key, you can select desired PDF, the PDF you want to merge. Okay, we have this option here. First let us select all, merge, done. Okay, again go here, what we have, so just a moment. Okay, select output 4. Okay, let us, yes, overwrite output 4. Now go here, select all. What will happen if you select all? Here also, if you select all, we don't have to select separately. This comes in a sorted order. 7 comes after 6. Okay, so here I will go 1, 4, 7, 23, 25, 26. Okay, merge. Now let us see those two files. Okay, now go here, PyCharm project, output 4. See, we have first, okay, only the desired, what we have selected, I think I've got in the wrong way. PyCharm project, our file is select, actually goes here. Where is output 4? Output 4 here. Yeah, this is just now. Yeah, 6 page 4, page 7, page 23, page 27, page 28. So we have selected this page. Okay, and if we again go here, just go here, merge PDF 11. So here we have selected all the page. See, we have 26 page. Okay, so this is how it works. Now let us one by one, we will just define here, not everything. I'll define here some functions. First function is this one, save as. This function is bound to this target PDF button, save target PDF file. Okay, next one is browse. Browse is actually bound to this browse folder btn, which is open directory. Next we have this one, multiple file selection. Okay, let's go here, choose file. So this choose file is actually linked to this one. Okay, and we have check uncheck, checkbox, command equal to self.onCheck, check button. Okay, so this gives to this one, and last one is merge. So let's go to merge to single PDF. So we will explain this one by one. First go to the save target, ask save as file name. So this is what this function, this file dialog, this is a library from the tkinter. Okay, so ask save as file name. This actually gets the absolute file name path with including the file name. When you select here, suppose we select this one. See, this actually ask file save as file name return this whole path, absolute path. Okay, and it is assigned to the PDF file name variable. And if something is still, suppose you don't select anything, just go here and suppose you cancel it. So cancel it, it is empty. So in that case, what happens, this does not exist. It will go and disable all the browse folder button and browse file button. Okay, so you cannot use this two button, because this is actually no target output file is selected. If you don't select output file, you cannot browse the source folder or source file. Okay, so this is all about this save target PDF file name. It don't create the file, it actually select the path. Okay, and what it does, it self.pdf file name, it actually set it to the self.pdf. And what is this self.pdf file name? You go here, PDF file name. So this is takes very well to self.pdf file name. So this is actually what happens. This text box, you cannot see, we have made this state is as read only. So if it is read only, then what happens? So when we assign anything, set anything to this self.pdf file name, is text variable, it automatically assigned to this text box. So whenever you do this, see, this is assigned here. So this is read only, you cannot type anything here, but or directly write anything to this text box. But when you assign something to this text variable, it automatically get added to this text box. Okay, that is what the function of the text box is. So here we define this one. So first one, we get the save target file name. Okay, so after that we go here, we go to the open directory. Open directory, choose the source PDF directory, source for the PDF file that will be merged. Okay, ask directory, file dialog, ask directory does the same thing. It gets the absolute part of the source directory. So it takes that, it actually runs a command OS from the OS library, runs the listdir command. I hope you know, if you know Python, you know something about this. Listdir returns all the file names within the folder. Okay, so it and what it does, we have a key here which calls a function called self.sortCriteria. What sort criteria does? Sort criteria actually gets all the file name and sort them in a modified date time. This get C time actually list it in a sorted order of modified date time and returns it. Sort criteria, so all the file name is written in a modified in sorted order, modified date time sorted order. Okay, and we pass through it, loop through it, and what we do, we check for the extension. This is PDF file extension. I am not going to the function. You can check the function. I'll provide you the code in the GitHub link. You can check from the code that what is this extension name doing. It is filtering out all the non-PDF extension and only getting the PDF extension and inserting it into the list box. Okay, at the end, it is actually adding it at the end. So after inserting all the file name, okay, what it does, it just set all the merge PDF and check button into normal state, because now we have list box is added with the file names. So you can it is in a form of merge PDF. We can merge it, or the check button, with the check button we can select or unselect it, or if nothing is done, we can disable, make it keep disabled. So that is what is open directory doing. Next we go here, choose files. Okay, so choose file is another form of choosing source files. One is through the directory, where it will select all the PDF files within that directory. Choose files, you can choose only the selected files. Okay, well, you can select for single files, multiple files. Okay, select multiple files pressing the control key or shift key, and you can use ask open file names. What it does, it only returns all the file names, okay, in a list format. So you assign it to PDF files, loop through it, check for the PDF extension and insert it into a LB. Now here you see, in this case I'm not clearing the list box. Okay, the list box, if anything is added to the source folder, it will be there, because the source folder you are not, this is an additional option. So after that, if you want to merge anything else, or if you have not used the source folder at all, so in that case also you can append it from here. If nothing is in the list box, only in the file names from this will be appended. Otherwise, including the source folder file names, this will be appended in the end. Append the same thing in the file list. Okay, so after this, I've already shown you. You can, if you go here, okay, suppose, okay, only the selected file is there. Okay, so Here what it is does, and after that let us go to the last one, choose file, and the last one is merge to single PDF. Here where it is merging, it is using the library called fits. This fits actually, it splits the PDF, merge the PDF, compress the PDF, everything is binary. So it is creating a target file. Okay, so now previously when I selected the file, I have selected the file name. It is actually the file name. The file is not created. File will be created here. So it is created with fits.open. A new file is created. Okay, now after that I parse through the selected file list, which contains all the file which is in the list box. Okay, so whenever anything is changed in the list box, it is updated in the selected file list. Loop through it. Now in this case, if you select it from the source folder, with the source folder, it actually gets the relative file name, and absolute path is in the where it is in the get directory path. If you get to the get directory path, what it has is the dr path var, which is actually a text variable which is attached to this browse PDF source folder. It is the text variable is attached to this, so that is used. But if you are selecting from here, then this is actually empty. In that case, this selected file list contains the absolute part of the file name. So in that case, the dr path, the directory path name is empty, because nothing is here. This is empty. This part is empty. Now this contains see, if you look at here, it contains the absolute path here. See, everything, the complete path is here. Okay, so now you open the input PDF from the list box. Let's select every file from the list box. You assign it to open it as an input PDF, insert it into the target PDF. So when it is inserted, it is appended at the last in the next page. Okay, now this is the progress bar. Let me just explain you the progress bar. This is the progress bar PB. Maximum value is the total count of length of the selected file list. Though the length of selecting file is the total count of the file. Here how many we have? We have 3. The PB maximum will be 3 here. Value starts from 0 and incremented by plus equal to 1. Okay, update idle task, what it does, it actually refresh the GUI. You can see the progress of the progress bar. Otherwise you cannot see any progress in this progress bar. GUI will not be visible properly. We keep a sleep of 1 millisecond, so 10 millisecond. What this will do, in this case 10 millisecond, you can see the progress. Otherwise it will be so fast you cannot see it. We put a general exception here. We have a target.save, which actually have something like garbage 4, deflate images, deflate font. So deflate is the opposite to the inflate. That means it compresses the PDF, make the size of the PDF small. So compressing PDF is not a scope of this tutorial. I make a separate video later on, show you how the compress works, how you can compress a PDF using the fits library. Okay, we close the target. Okay, so this is something I told you out of the scope, so this is commented here. We have success message, and this is reset at last. So this part I'll show you when you click on merge here. Suppose select all, merge, everything is clear. Disabled, all disabled, everything is done here. So this is all about merging PDF. I'll share this code in my GitHub link. I'll provide you the GitHub link. You can go through it. You can, if you have any doubt, any problem, please get back to me. Comment in my video. You ask me any question. I'll also provide you the mail ID. You can mail me, ask me anything. I'll try to help you and get things sorted out. If you like this video, please like and share, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.